I'm sold in every corner store right next to the churches. With instructional tools, come on in and make a purchase. When you have the urge to quit, step and keep trying. Eat the bread of the wicked, drink the wine of the violent. There is nothing ungodly people can do to me, as long as I keep the carnal mind to stay true to me. Mentally enslavement, passed out on the pavement, robbing you for your sanity, tearing it into segments. People turn to me in times of depression, intoxicating those who never seem to learn the lesson. Knucklehead mentalities, keeping you acting ignorant, killing self-motivation. If any, I'm gonna hinder it. Ethanol, methadol, deadly as cholesterol. Senators and judges be drinking me, but they arresting y'all for drunk driving, DWI-ing, making think I'm the reason you're surviving. Conniving, late night fountain, I'm like a mountain, too steep to climb, making you ignore the times. Subliminal messages wrapped around my body, drinking up of me, I make you rowdy at the party. More liquor, make your thoughts shiver, sipping me while you're pregnant, hectic deliver. Ladies, I'm also hired to kill babies. Made up for some changed my warning labels back in the 80s. Feel the pain in your stomach, but you ignore the sign. Through time, you find I'm liquid swine for your mind. Punk, I had you drunk, sick, praying to be sober. And in the morning, I be the king of hangovers. We the schools of destruction on parole. When we get out, we coming for your soul. See, cause we family, hell bent on damaging. No change, no purpose, and anything you was managing. Schools of destruction on parole. When we get out, yo, we coming for your soul. Hands up and protect your mind state. Returning generation with jealousy and hate.
They try to guess who I am, because of me many died. Sort of a serial killer campaigning for genocide. I'm notorious, I don't need no introduction. Invented in America, designed for self-destruction. Find me in ghettos on every corner, somebody selling me. Even though it's a felony, people still be inhaling me. Made with cocaine, I came to poison your brain. Like you in spiritual chains, far worse than Mary Jane. A rock in the 80s to the fathers, mothers, and babies. On target, the poverty-stricken, oppressing half crazy. This one hit, and that's it. The wicked's lit, my addiction is 20 times worse than a cigarette. I'm a monster with sunken cheeks and wide eyes. My victims start looking like me when I take over their lives. I'm merciless, I don't share any remorse. I don't discriminate on who I manipulate. Like a plague or epidemic, can't cure me down at the clinic. A roller coaster taking you for a ride for 20 minutes. Hallucinate, kinda like sex for your mind. I make you neglect your children to visit this cloud nine. I'm a parasite at all hours of the night. I milk you for your money and take away your appetite. Lose weight, lose sleep, lose friends and family. Plus your job, I make you turn away from God, defile your temple, and turn your love into lust. I make your life steal and cuss, and turn your fortune to dust. I come in the form of a boulder when I mix with baking soda. Got the young generation working and being my promoter, giving them G's to go on frequent shopping sprees, leaving the trail of money leading to prison and disease. Death, I take toll, my goal is to steal your soul away. My name is Kraken, this is my resume.
We the schools of destruction on parole. When we get out, we coming for your soul. See, cause we family, hell bent on damaging. No change, no purpose, and anything you was managing. Schools of destruction on parole. When we get out, yo, we coming for your soul. Hands up and protect your mind state. Returning generation with jealousy and hate.
First off, I don't discriminate, only required you hate anything, and me and you can get a date. See, I lay in the cut, waiting to get picked up. Got many names, but I prefer the one that goes buck-a-boo-yow. Follow your baby right into the schoolhouse. Already survived 4 or 5 murder trials, 2 armed robberies where I wounded my victim, and I don't even need a clip when I be pistol whipping. And as long as you like to gamble, I'ma keep winning bets. Only I can kill an American with Russian roulette. Been trading for money and sex when I ain't doing drugs, working hard to reach the hand of some cops and thugs. Don't matter if it's crack or wanting shots in the back. Keep me fed, sit and relax and watch the body stack. Earn my keep as cold still quickly becomes heat. Introduce many old and young to the grim reaper. Sleeper, deeper, corrupt you and seduce ya. Before you find out, I get my orders straight from Lucifer. It'll be too late, you're on your way upstate, and I can't wait to break bait with my deceivable bait. Yellow tape looks great around the victims I devour. Killer by the hour, giving the blind false power. Thinking they own me, but I own them. You die once, I get the chance to kill again and again. So many clock may watch me, but they can't stop me. Track me like they can have me under lock and key. But I'm elusive, exclusive with my abuse. And now I'm on a new high, look what I'm doing to the youth. Blood-filled streets, increased by the summer heat. Night will can't compete when it comes to putting you to sleep. Genocidal veteran, nighttime bleed in your coffin, slug in your chest so you can rest medicine.
Schools of destruction on parole. When we get out, we coming for your soul. See,
got shot.